If your weeknights feel like a race against the clock and cooking a simple meal somehow turns into a 1-hour commitment, you're not alone. Waiting for lentils to soften or chicken to become tender can feel like a chore, especially when you're already tired. That's exactly the kind of problem the Doitool 4.2 Quart Aluminum Pressure Cooker Stovetop Fast Cooking Pot is trying to solve. This is a compact stovetop pressure cooker built for small families, busy professionals, or anyone who wants faster, more efficient cooking without jumping into complicated appliances. It promises to cut cooking time by up to 70%, while still delivering full flavor and decent control over your meals. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the design is pretty straightforward, but that's actually part of its appeal. It has a classic pressure cooker look with a clean silver aluminum finish that feels practical rather than flashy. When you pick it up, it's noticeably lightweight compared to stainless steel models, which makes it easier to handle, especially if you're cooking daily. The long handle gives you a secure grip, and it doesn't heat up too quickly, which is something you'll appreciate when moving it on and off the stove. The lid locks into place firmly, and while it's not a one-touch system, it feels secure once sealed. Overall, the build feels functional and designed for everyday use, even if it doesn't have that premium, heavy-duty feel. Where this cooker starts to stand out is in how it performs during actual cooking. For something like beans or chickpeas, which usually require soaking and long boil times, this pot speeds things up dramatically. You can go from raw to ready in a fraction of the time, which genuinely changes how often you're willing to cook from scratch. Chicken cooks evenly and stays juicy, and stews come together quickly without sacrificing flavor. The aluminum body helps it heat up faster than heavier materials, so you're not wasting time waiting for it to reach pressure. In terms of everyday use, it's surprisingly manageable. It's not overly loud, just the typical pressure release sound you'd expect, and it has a built-in regulator to help maintain consistent pressure. You do need to control the heat manually since it's stovetop-based, but after a couple of uses, it becomes second nature. Cleaning is also pretty simple. Since it's aluminum, food doesn't stick excessively, and a quick rinse with mild soap usually does the job. It's the kind of tool you can use regularly without feeling like it adds extra work to your routine. There are definitely some clear advantages to be found here. The biggest one is speed. It really does cut down cooking time in a noticeable way. The size is another plus. At 4.2 quarts, it's perfect for cooking for 3 to 5 people or simply not wanting a bulky pot taking up space. It's also versatile enough to handle different types of meals, from soups and rice to meats and steamed dishes. That said, there are a few trade-offs worth mentioning. Aluminum, while lightweight and fast heating, isn't as durable long-term as stainless steel, so you may see wear over time. It also doesn't retain heat as well once cooking is done. And if you're someone who prefers a completely hands-off experience, this won't replace an electric pressure cooker. You still need to stay nearby and manage the heat. Compared to other pressure cookers in this price range, this one leans more towards simplicity and accessibility. Some stainless steel models offer better durability and a more premium feel, but they're heavier and usually more expensive. Electric options like multi-cookers offer convenience, but come with a learning curve and a higher cost. This Doitool cooker sits right in the middle. It's affordable, easy to use, and gets the core job done without overcomplicating things. So who is this really for? If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly way to cook faster and don't mind a bit of manual control, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially good for smaller households or anyone just getting started with pressure cooking. But if you're looking for something ultra-durable or fully automated, you might want to explore other options. If this helped you get a clearer idea of whether this pressure cooker fits your needs, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest, no-nonsense reviews. And if you're ready to spend less time waiting and more time eating, check out the link in the description and see if this one fits into your kitchen routine.